How we doing? You missed me? I missed you too, girl. But today we have the summertime Colourpop mystery box. And I was confused when I got it. Like, I tracked it and I was like, oh, it's here. And then I was looking around for it and I was like, where's she at? And then I found it. I didn't know where it was going or where it was because look at the box it came in. Like, it's literally an all-white box. Like, the only way I know that it's from Colourpop is because it says it's from Colourpop on the address label. But that's okay. It's neither here nor there. Let's get into the box, okay? All right. All right. And up. Look, I think we're gonna have to start doing like a packaging protection, like appreciation, because there are some companies that don't quite get it. And when you guys see me in my next video for that unboxing, you're gonna be like, oh, so it's possible we can protect our customers' purchases with packaging. Just gonna put that out there. But let's get into it. Oh, and she looks pretty full. Oh, okay. I don't see anything from the Powerpuff Girls in here, so that's promising. But let's see what we do have. And on top, we have from the Soul Body line a body blending sponge. So let's see. I like how simplistic their packaging is. Like, it's not a whole bunch to it. It's just packaging. But here's the sponge. And they have the, like, the body oil, the shimmery one. I guess you would just put it on there and just sponge it in. So, okay, there's that. Not a bad item. It's a mystery box. It's a mystery box, okay? So we're just gonna be surprised. All right. Oh. And we have some crystal face jewels. Dog, I'm 40. I'm not gonna use these. We'll see. I can give these to my nieces. They'll probably want them. And we have some falsies, some lashes. This is in the style Chick. Let's open it up. Now, these are pretty nice. I don't know. We'll see. If my daughter doesn't like them, then I know they're my style. If she's for them, they're a little too dramatic for me. But these, I feel like they're in the middle. So, we'll see. Oh, that's so funny. It says faux MG. Ignore me. I'm corny. I know it. Up next. Looks like we got a lot of lip products. Oh, and there's a palette in here. All right. Let's go with the lip products. So, this is a So Glossy or So Glassy lip gloss in the shade Newport. And I was just saying I should put on some gloss for this video, but I didn't. Okay, just kind of nude, a little nude. Let's see. I love their wands, like that whole clear thing. I love that. And yes, it is super thundering outside, and it's layout. So there is that. So it's got a little color to it, but it's real nice and nudie. Like, you can just throw this on by itself and go. And I do love Colourpop's glosses. I do like them. So there's that. All right, up next we have another lip. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I already got this one. I got this one in the first mystery box that I got, and this is the Luxe Gloss, and this one is in the shade Eclectic. And I actually wore this shade earlier today with a brown lip liner from, was it NYX? Yeah, NYX. And I love this. And funny enough, I was looking through the Ipsy sale, and they actually had this shade, this exact shade, for like $3.99. And I was like, yo, I love this gloss. I'm gonna buy it. And I didn't check out yet. And I'm glad I did, because Come on, Colourpop. Save your girl some. Well, you didn't save me really money, but an extra $3.99. It works. Thank you. All right, we got another lip product. This is the Luxe Liquid Lipstick. Again, the packaging is amazing. Oh, get into the nails. Y'all like that? I like it too. Anyways, this is in the shade Honey Pie. And I don't know what this is gonna look like, but let's see. I'm just so excited about that gloss. Like, oh my God, that's so crazy. All right. Okay. This is cute. It's like a pinky nude. But Colourpop's lip products are pretty amazing. I like them a lot. Okay, it's a little sheer, but that's cool. Well, it's not, but it's super creamy. And so there's the color. So that's cute. I'm sure I could find a liner to go with that. Yeah. So there's that. Up next is another lip product. And this is Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stain. Look at that packaging. Isn't it pretty? I can't remember what which collection this one is from, but it's so pretty. This one is in the shade Sugar Snap. Sugar Snap. All right, let's see. Okay, and this is in that color. So it's kind of similar to this one. I don't want to take it out. But this one's a little bit a softer brown than this one. But let's see what she looks like. Okay. Yeah, it's very similar. It's like a cross between the two colors, actually. Hold on. I want to smell it because I smelled something. Okay, maybe I didn't. All right. But that is the color here. So it's nice. Again, you could probably, well, I could probably get away with wearing this by itself. So yeah, awesome. You know, I love me some lip products. Like, that's my jam. That's my jam. All right, we got another one. This one is another Luxe Liquid Lipstick. And it's in the shade, Just Imagine. Imagine all the lipsticks matching on my lips. All right, I'm gonna put it on this side. So yeah, it's kind of similar to the other shade. It's a little bit more muted though. It's this one here. Can you see? Yeah. So all of these are really neutral lip shades. So these are nice. I'm excited. You know, I'm a lipstick junkie. Right up my alley. What else we got? Oh, these are one of their eyeliners. So the BFF gel liner in the shade Wildcat. Okay. They be having some crazy colors, but like they be hitting, so I'm for it. Oh, it's like a gold color. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, she's gold. Yeah, she's gold. Golden gold. Y'all ever seen The Wiz? That's like my favorite movie. You remember the section when they went to go see The Wizard of Oz and he kept changing the color? Yeah, the ultimate yellow brick color is gold. All right, and we got another one. Different packaging though. And this one is in the shade Crazy. It's not gonna focus. Okay, it's okay. We don't need it to focus. We just need to see the color. Can I get it out? Yes, I can. All right. Oh, so this is a super. So what's the difference? Did I say this one was a gel? Yeah, this one's gel. So the golden one is gel, and this one is like an actual lip liner or eyeliner. And it's in Crazy, which is blue. Ooh, that's pretty. Like, it's blue. Well, it looks black right there, but it's definitely like a navy blue, and it's juicy too. Is it changing? No, it's still showing black, but it's actually a juicy blue. Well, at least the brush tip. Let me show you the brush tip. So that's cool. And these are the ones I like because I still suck at doing my eyeliner. Like, I feel like I'm getting better. I feel like I'm getting better. But it'd be the wing that I struggle with because my eyes are weird. So I try. I'm getting better. So I'm excited. All right. So far, I am not disappointed in this mystery box. And honey, we got us a full-size palette. And she's really pretty. Like, look, y'all know how I feel about Colourpop's packaging. I don't have to repeat myself because you already know. But look at this bad boy. The Play It Jewel Pressed Powder Palette. I mean, the packaging. Yes. Look at the back. Even the back is really pretty. And it tells you all the colors. Ooh, that's flashy. Don't pay attention to that. So let's see what she looks like. I remember this one. This isn't that old, is it? I don't know, but it's pretty. If I can get it open. There we go. Oh. But yes, this was an amazing box. No Powerpuff Girls. None of that. Oh, there it is. That. And it's still got the same. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, let's get into it, Carrie. Huh, that's different. There's no mirror. But again, the packaging is consistent. But let's look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. So I'm assuming that they're really just shimmer shades. Well, there's some mattes in here. Should we swatch? Yeah, let's swatch. We are gonna do this blue shade. This one right there is called Tiara or Tiara. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, but that blue and that gold, I'm gonna be fire. Ah. All right, let's see what other one. Ooh, this like hunter green teal color. Let's watch that. Oh, and they're so soft. Oh, ooh, you see that? It's powdery, but oh, she's soft though. She's soft. Oh, that's so pretty. There is fallout on that one. I don't know if you can see it on my hand, but there's fallout. Let's try another one. Let's do the gold. It's the sparkle. So there it is. Oh. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Like, I mean, for what it's worth, Colourpop does this thing every time. Like, they're gonna, ooh, but this moving colors, that's pretty. Can I get another? But yeah, as I was saying, Colourpop is gonna eat with their shadows. They don't have too many misses. Oh, there it is. That's really pretty. Like, they don't have too many misses. Like, sometimes their collections run a little pale. And that's okay. But as far as, for the most part though, they're not gonna miss. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to play with her. I cannot wait to play with her. I cannot. But that's it, y'all. So let's recap. Okay. So, we got the palette. I know this one's probably like 28, 30 bucks. We got the body blending sponge. We got, let's put these ones together. We got 3, 4, 5 lipsticks and lip glosses. 5. You know, I was happy. We got 2 eyeliners, lashes, and the face jewels. Actually, I could probably, nah, I ain't gonna do it. But yeah, all in all, I'm not mad, like, at all. Like, this because I felt like, so this was my thinking. I was like, yo, if I see another Powerpuff Girl thing, like them is my girls, but I don't want to see it in the mystery box because it wasn't, I don't think it was created for people like me, you know, and that's fine, because I even heard that it was even a little pale for some of my paler viewers, and I was like, yo, if it's too pale for you, then they just missed. And like I said, sometimes they do, but 9 times out of 10 they don't. This did not miss. Like, this was great. This was an amazing box. And I was like, yo, if I see another Powerpuff Girls, I'll never buy another one. I'm waiting for the next one. So that's where we are with that. Oh, look at it. Yeah, there's definitely super follow because it's like all right here. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. We're not talking about that. So, are you guys getting a summer mystery box? Do you got it? You gonna get it? If you got it, what you get? Like, are we box twins? Did you get the same thing? Because I noticed that these ones, there's some variety. There's some variety. So, let me know what you got. Let's talk about it in the comments. And, like the video. Subscribe to my channel. Okay? And then share it. And then, you know the routine. Tell your homegirls and your homies to like and subscribe. And then they gonna share it. See? Yeah. But in the meantime, come back now. You hear? Because I have something special that I want to share with you guys. So come on back. All right. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.